Okay, well, come on. Let's go cut this. Shit! Avalanche! Where's Tony?
I don't know.
Hey! I'm coming!
Where's the other guy? I'm here.
Tony's right.
We need hands up here. Oh, where's my camera? Well, I fucking did it.
That seems to be the main driver off Mikey's sled. Showing the rest of their skin.
Yeah, look at the track. Oh, Trav's not buying it now. There's a screwdriver or something under there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they used that for taking it out, eh?
Yeah, and there's what's left of the bearing.
Got that on video, did you?
I think so. You okay, Brucey?
Woo! Where's Bruce?
He's right there.
Technically, your machine was in it.
Yeah, you weren't in it. Your machine was in it.
Well, let's hope it's the only one you see.
Yeah. I didn't think it'd be a problem today.
Avalanche survival.
And this is such a mild hill too, you know.
Yeah.
That's the one though, isn't it?
But I ain't gonna try.
That thing there, I noticed that back there, little 17, I just told you. Stop right at the top there, we didn't get straight up there. He might fuck up himself. Doesn't know that trail. Get out of here, fuck!
Where is it
Right in that tree!
Hello, the trail's to the left.
You first to help them all, not get stuck yourself!
Payment value.
Good thing you got your camera.
We gotta get Jimmy towing.
No, we
his
got two
wife's
sleds,
sled.
but that's about the same size. One on your right and one on your
Well,
left.
did Brian seize it up here, or?
That one?
Yeah,
It just-
Wildcat.
It just died on it.
It's seized up.
Is it seized now?
It's seized, yeah.
It just like
They're
pop, pop,
towing
pop.
it out.
Oh, it was just like pop, 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 and it just fucking died. I've got to tell what's his name? I dropped my tire right on the road, on the main road we coming up.
Mm-hmm.
I can pick one up. Ronnie parked right. it.